Hello, and welcome to Zager's Pool and Spa Education Series. Today we're going to talk about how to measure a spa cover. Before we get started, we'd like to let you know that if you have a jacuzzi, Dimension 1, or Mira Spa that is 2010 or newer, we most likely have measurements on file for you already. Also, if you have a curvilinear spa or a raised back spa, it's best to contact us for help, as we're going to focus on square and rectangular spa covers today. Okay, let's get started with supplies. You'll need a framing square, or a ruler with a straight edge will work too, a pencil, and a measuring tape. Lastly, a friend makes it easier, but isn't 100% necessary. Step 1. Measure length and width. Okay, grab that measuring tape and go across the center of the spa to get the length. Then you're going to do the same thing to get the width, using the seam as the guide. Make sure you notate everything in inches. Step 2, measure skirt length and locate straps. Okay, now we're going to measure the skirting. Notice we went to the bottom and then up to that seam. Our skirting is 5.5 inches as shown here. Next, locate all the straps. These are in the corner, but sometimes they can be at the front and back of the spa. So make sure you notate that as well so that we can get the straps in the right spots. Step 3, measure corner radius. Okay, let's say this is your spa. Get your framing square, place it right in the corner there, and then see where it starts to touch the spa, right about there. That's the measurement you're looking for. We used a straight edge and a ruler. Notice where it starts to touch the spa there. It's right at that 10 inches mark. That is the measurement that we're going to need in order to get the correct radius ordered for this spa cover. Step 4, selecting the proper taper and heat seal. So there's two different purposes for spa covers. One is safety and the other is heat retention. That's why we offer 3 different grades of spa covers. The first one is the standard. It has a 2 to 4 inch taper. As you can see that it's thicker in the middle and then it goes down and it gets a little slimmer. Now this is good for indoor spas or milder climates. The second is the premium. It's a 3 to 5 inch taper, so it is a little bit better for Michigan winters. It's going to withstand some snow and it's going to give you that heat retention. The third option is the Elite. It has a 4 to 6 inch taper, which is perfect if you get tons of lake effect snow. It's going to be 66% more efficient than, say, the standard spa cover. Okay, so now that you understand the choices for the taper, let's move on to the heat seal. Okay, so you see that little flap there in the middle? Yeah, that guy. That's the heat seal. So basically what it does is it prevents heat from escaping between the two halves of the spa cover, because obviously you have to be able to open and close it. So that is going to give it extra protection to keep your heat in your spa. Step 5, selecting the color. So let's talk about the most popular colors. You're going to want something to match your spa. First there's teak, which has been a bestseller for years, followed by mahogany. It has kind of a darker brown, kind of red tone to it. Then there's black. And finally, you're going to get your slate color for all of those gray fans out there. I know gray is very big right now. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a call if you have any questions.